Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take out the coffee brewer from your Siemens EQ6 Plus S100. So in order to do that, we'll need to take the look at our right side of the coffee machine, and from here just simply put your fingers in this hole right here and just pull it towards you like that. Now lift it up like that and you should be able to take it off. So right here inside this mechanism there's a coffee brewer. In order to take it out, we'll need to first remove the lock like that, so it will be here, and now simply pull up this thing here and it's out. From here you can see the brief instructions on how to clean this mechanism if you want to clean it. And to simply put it back, just take the coffee brewer and push it in like that. Now lock the key like that, and from here close the seal like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.